If you're having a hard time filming outside with your iPhone, you look back at the footage and you're like, wow, that looks like crap. You know, the sun's in the shot, or the colors look all flat and gross, and the people look weird because it's super bright and you can't see anything. What's going on, everybody? It's Matt with Math Me. In this video, we're talking about 3 different lighting tips that will help you get better looking outdoor footage from your iPhone. Let's get into it. So the first tip for filming outside on your iPhone is avoid filming in the middle of the day, okay? Because when you film when the sun's right above you, it results in a much harsher looking image and things just look terrible. So when the sun's between like there and there in the sky, kind of like it is right now, just don't film. Cloudy days, okay? Tip number 2, cloudy days are consistent days. When you film when it's overcast outside, colors are way more natural, the skin looks more natural, and it just looks better when the lighting is more consistent. So film when it's cloudy. But let's be honest, we all want to get that amazing hero shot with like the sun and the cool flares and all that stuff. So tip number 3 is film with the sun and not against it. Here's what I mean. It just comes down to when you film. The best times to film are either in the early morning or later in the evening. Evening sunlight is a lot softer, which gives you more of a cinematic look. The early morning light shows off the raw, real beauty that comes when you're watching a sunrise. One more bonus tip for you guys who watch to the end, appreciate you, but that is silhouette shots. Okay, silhouette shots are really cool. They can convey a lot of emotion. Best time to get silhouette shots when everything's dark in your image except the sky. That's when you know you can get good silhouette shots. Oh, and if you're wondering what kind of lenses I'm using here, check out this next video. I break down a 4-pack of these different lenses. I'll see you there. Get outside and get creating. Peace.